let's begin.
Well, this movie is directed by J.J. Abrams, and he did such a great job with this film. There are a lot of great action sequences throughout this film, which kept me on the edge of my seat throughout the entire time. And even though there were all of these fantastic action sequences in there, J.J. Abrams was still able to add a lot of great emotional depth to the storyline and the characters. And I thought that really enhanced the film overall.
And then if you go on to another aspect, that the visual effects in this movie were one of the best parts.
And also there's great acting in this film, specifically by Benedict Cumberbatch, who plays the villain. And he did such a great job with this role. Like, he was all really menacing, he definitely knew his role. You probably recognize him from the BBC series Sherlock, which is a good series, by the way. And, he just did such a great job with this role.
I thought that there were, the storyline had a lot of good plot twists. Like, I never really knew what was coming. Like, every time something happened, I was on the edge of my seat, like, wondering what was going to happen. And I actually had to see the movie twice to fully comprehend everything that happened.
So I did end up enjoying this movie very thoroughly because it had everything that I would want in a Star Trek movie. So let's get finished and rate this movie.
I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because I thought this was a really well done movie.
And I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10.